The liver is your main detoxification organ. It's responsible for filtering toxins out of the bloodstream so that toxins don't build up in your body. You can think of your liver as the filter in your vacuum cleaner. When the filter gets clogged with too much dirt, your vacuum's not as efficient in cleaning. Similarly, when your liver gets clogged up by too many toxins, your body often feels sluggish. Your immune system is overworked, your skin isn't as healthy, and your digestion slows down. While your liver does an excellent job at filtration, it's constantly being asked to run on overdrive because of the high toxic load that you're exposed to in modern society, including air pollution, chemicals in water, pesticides, and harmful ingredients in skincare products. In addition, a fast-paced lifestyle can add toxins to your body from the effects of stress. The good news is that the liver has an incredible capacity to heal itself. Contrary to other organs, when a person has liver damage, the liver is able to regenerate tissue. Using a combination of nourishing, liver-healthy foods, and liver-supporting ingredients, you can help protect your liver and allow it to do what it does best. Show your liver some love and consume these 6 foods to help improve your liver health. 1. Warm water with lemon. Adequate water intake helps to flush out excess toxins from the body. When your body's well hydrated, it not only helps liver function, but also helps all of the organs and cells in your body. Drinking warm water with lemon in the morning is an Eastern practice that helps to clear the digestive tract of toxins that have built up overnight. It also helps create a more alkaline environment in the body to balance out the acidity from toxins. Lemon water has antioxidants that help to stimulate the liver. To prepare this mixture in the morning, pour 8 to 12 ounces of warm or hot water into a mug, then squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Mix together and sip slowly. 2. Dark green leafy vegetables. Dark green vegetables contain powerful antioxidants that help to combat toxins in the body. They work hand in hand with your liver to help you rid your body of toxins. Some dark leafy greens and vegetables that are particularly helpful include kale, spinach, and collard greens. Kale and spinach can be used in salads, smoothies, juices, or for a quick vegetable sauté. Collard greens can be used to make great wraps, quinoa salads, and sautéed meat mixtures. 3. Beets and beet greens. Eaten raw, cooked, or juiced, beets have been shown to help manage disease states due to oxidative stress, including liver disease. Beets help with inflammation, all while increasing its natural detoxification enzymes. Beets can be made into soups, incorporated into salads and smoothies. 4. Berries. Research has shown that certain berries, including blueberries and mulberries, can help fight against liver cancer due to their high levels of antioxidants. Berries can be eaten raw as a snack, or they can be used fresh or frozen in smoothies. 5. Bitter greens. Bitter greens such as dandelion greens, nettle, and arugula are particularly helpful for digestion and liver function. The flavor of bitter greens causes your mouth and digestive tract to secrete enzymes and bile that help to break down your food. Bitter greens also stimulate your liver to help with detoxification. By incorporating more bitter greens into your diet, it can also help reduce sugar cravings, which will reduce the toxic burden that sugar puts on your system. Dandelion and nettle are most commonly consumed through hot teas. You can find roasted dandelion teas or detox tea blends that have nettle in them. Make sure to look for an organic tea blend to avoid added toxins. 6. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is an herb that can help support the liver. It contains silymarin, which is both anti-inflammatory and a powerful antioxidant. Milk thistle can be found in various detox teas as well as in tincture or capsule form. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on what are the early signs of liver disease. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.